Subject Mathematics, Standard 8, Chapter number 4, Altitude and Medians of a Triangle. म्हणजेच त्रिकोणाचे शिरोलंब व मध्यका. In previous standard, we have learned that the bisector of angles of a triangle as well as the perpendicular bisectors of its sides are concurrent. These points of concurrence are respectively called the incenter and the circumcenter of the triangle. म्हणजेच कोणाचे दुभाजक एक संपाती असतात व त्रिकोणाच्या बाजूचे लंबदुभाजक एक संपाती असतात. त्यांच्या संपात बिंदूत अनुक्रमे अंतर्मध्य आणि परिमध्य असे म्हणतात. अल्टिट्यूड म्हणजे शिरोलंब. The perpendicular segment drawn from a vertex of a triangle on the side opposite to it is called an altitude of the triangle. Here, in the figure alongside, in triangle ABC, AP is an altitude on the base BC. See the figure as below. In triangle ABC, here there are three altitudes. These are concurrent. The point of concurrence is called orthocenter and it is denoted by the letter O. Median. Median means madhyaka. The segment joining the vertex and midpoint of the opposite side is called a median of the triangle. In triangle HCF, segment FT is a median on the base CH as shown here. D is the midpoint of side SC or segment SC. Here, observe the figure. In triangle ABC, there are three medians. These are concurrent. Their point of concurrence is called centroid and it is denoted by letter G. From above discussion, we know that the altitude of a triangle pass through exactly one point. That means they are concurrent. The point of concurrence is called orthocenter and it is denoted by letter O. The orthocenter of a right angle triangle is the vertex of right angle. The orthocenter of an obtuse angle triangle is in exterior of triangle. The orthocenter of an acute angle triangle is in interior of the triangle. Above median, the median of a triangle are concurrent. Their point of concurrence is called the centroid and it is denoted by letter Z. For all type of triangle, the location of centroid means G is in the interior of triangles. The centroid divide each median in the ratio 2:1. Practice set 2.1. Observe the figure. In triangle LMN, blank is an altitude. Here, segment LX perpendicular to opposite side MN. Therefore, segment LX is an altitude. And segment LY joining the vertex L and midpoint of the side MN. Therefore, segment LY is a median. Therefore, answer is segment LX is an altitude and segment LY is a median. Practice set 4.1. Question number 2. Draw an acute angle triangle. PQR. Draw all of its altitude. Name the point of concurrence as O. First, draw an acute angle triangle PQR. With the help of ruler, first draw base Q1. Then draw segment QP. This is triangle PQR. Measure of each angle is less than 90 degree. This is an acute angle triangle. Let us draw the altitude from the vertex P to opposite side segment Q1. Put the set square along the side QR and one side on the point P as shown here, and draw the altitude from point P to opposite side Q1. Segment PA is the altitude. Draw the altitude from the vertex R to opposite side Q1. Put the set square on side PQ and the other side on point R as shown here. Then draw the altitude from vertex Q to opposite side PR as shown here. Put the set square on side PR and other rectangular side on point Q. Here, segment RB is the altitude of triangle. Segment QC is also altitude of triangle. All three altitudes, segment PA, segment RB and segment QC, are concurrent, and their point of concurrence is denoted by the letter O. This is also called orthocenter of the triangle. Practice set 4.1. Draw an obtuse angle triangle STU. Draw its median and show the centroid. First, we have to draw obtuse angle triangle. What is obtuse angle triangle? Measure of one of the angle of a triangle is greater than 90 degree is called obtuse angle triangle. म्हणजे त्रिकोणाच्या एका कोणाचे अंशात्मक माप म्हणजेच त्रिकोणाच्या एका कोणाचे अंशात्मक माप हे 90 अंशापेक्षा जास्त असेल तर त्याला obtuse angle triangle असे आपण म्हणतो. We first draw obtuse angle triangle. Let us draw triangle STU. Let measure of angle T is 120 degree. In triangle STU, segment ST is base. Let us draw segment ST with sufficient length. Name the segment. Here, measure of angle T is 120 degree. With the help of protractor, draw the angle of measure 120 degree at T. Put protractor on the segment ST in such way that line of reference along the segment ST and center of the protractor on point T as shown here. Measure the angle 120. Here is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20, 110 and 120. Take a point at 120. Here, remove the protractor and draw a ray passing through the point at measure 120 degree. This is ray TK. Take point U on the ray TK and join the point SQ. This one is required obtuse angle triangle. Measure of angle T is 120 degree. Then, second part of this question is draw its median. What is median? The segment joining the vertex and midpoint of the opposite side is called median. म्हणजेच त्रिकोणाचा शिरोबिंदू व समोरील बाजूचा मध्य बिंदू जोडणाऱ्या रेषाखंडास त्रिकोणाची मध्यगा म्हणतात. आता या ठिकाणी आपल्याला ट्रायंगलच्या ज्या साइड्स आहेत त्याचा मिड पॉइंट आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे. Put the pointed tip of the compass on point S. Take sufficient distance, half and more, and draw an arc above the side ST and below the side ST. Then, keeping same distance, put the pointed tip of the compass on point T and draw circular arc intersecting first arc. With the help of ruler, join the intersected point. Give the name of this point. We give the name XY. This one is the point X, this one is the point Y. Joining the point, draw the line. Put the ruler on point X and Y. The point of intersection of the side ST and line XY is the midpoint of the side ST. Give the name A. This one is the point A. Then again, find out the midpoint of side SU. Repeat this process. Putting the pointed tip of the compass on point S. Take sufficient distance, half and more, and draw the arc on both the sides of the side SU. Keeping same distance, put the pointed tip on point U. Draw the arc intersecting first arc. The point of intersection of the two arcs, give the name. This one is point M and point N respectively. Join this point with the help of ruler. Line MN intersects side SU at point we give the name point B. Therefore, point B is the midpoint of side SU. Then find out the midpoint of side TU. Again, repeat this process. Take sufficient distance and put the pointed tip on point T. And draw an arc on both the sides. Then again, put the pointed tip on point U, keeping same distance of the compass, and draw an arc intersecting first arc. Give the name of the line. This one is line EF. Line EF intersects side TU. Give the name of this point. This one is point C. Therefore, point C is the midpoint of the side TU. We know that median means segment joining the vertex of a triangle and midpoint of its opposite side. Let us join the segment of midpoint and vertex of a given triangle. Do it one by one. This one is the draw the median SC first by joining the vertex S and midpoint C with the help of ruler. Segment SC is the median of triangle STU. Then draw the segment UA joining the vertex U and midpoint of the segment or side ST. Then draw the median TB by joining the vertex T and midpoint B of the side SE with the help of ruler. Observe the figure here. Segment SC, segment TB and segment UA are the medians of the triangles STU and they are intersect at one point. We give the name point G. Point G is the centroid of the triangle. This is required figure. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. Practice set 4.1, question number 4. Draw an obtuse angle triangle LMN. Draw its altitude and denote the orthocenter by O. First we draw obtuse angle triangle LMN. We know that obtuse angle means measure of one angle is greater than 90 degree. So let us suppose that in triangle LMN, measure of angle LMN is equal to 110 degree. Let segment MN is the base of the triangle LMN. First draw the segment with convenient distance 9 cm distance to draw the segment MN. Name the segment EMN. Draw the angle 110 degree at point EM. Therefore, Put the protector on point EMN in such way that line of reference along the side EMN and center of the protector on point M. Segment EMN is right of the point M, so count the degrees from 0 to 110 from right to left. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Take a point at 110 degree. Remove the protector and draw the rays from point M and the point at 110 degree with the help of ruler. We know that orthocenter of the obtuse angle triangle outside the triangle. So extend this line on the both the sides. Measure of angle M is 110 degree. Take point L on the ray. This one is the ray MT. Take point L on the ray MT and join the side L here. First we extend the line EMN with the help of. The second part of this question is draw the altitude and denote the orthocenter by O. So using set square we draw the altitude. Altitude means perpendicular drawn from vertex of a triangle to its opposite side. Here first we draw the altitude from vertex L to opposite side EMN. Put the set square as shown here. One side of the set square on side EMN and other side on the vertex L as shown here. Draw the altitude from the vertex L to opposite side EMN and extend. Then again draw the altitude from the vertex En to its opposite side LM using set square. Put the set square on the side LM as shown here. Draw the altitude from vertex En to opposite side LM and extend it. Then again draw the altitude from vertex M to opposite side LM. Put the set square along the line LM other side on the vertex M as shown here and draw the altitude from vertex M to LM. Show the arrow. We know that all of these altitudes are perpendicular to its opposite side. So this angle is 90 degree. Show the sign here. We see that all three altitudes. This one is segment ELA. Segment ELA is the altitude drawn from vertex L to opposite side EMN, which is this one is perpendicular, and altitude drawn from the vertex, this one is D point EMB, perpendicular to side LN, and this one is the C point, altitude NC, perpendicular to side LM. All three altitudes are intersect at one point, therefore these are concurrent, and this point of concurrence of the three altitude of a triangle is called orthocenter and it is denoted by the letter O. This one is the required figure. Question number 5. Draw a right angle triangle XYZ. Draw its medians and show their point of concurrence by G. First part of this question is draw a right angle triangle. We know that right angle triangle means measure of one of the angle is 90 degree. In triangle XYZ, let measure of angle XYZ is 90 degree. Take convenient distance in ruler and draw segment YZ first. We take here segment YZ is equal to 9 cm. Name the segment YZ. With the help of protractor, draw the angle 90 degree at point Y. म्हणजेच 90 अंशाचा कोन काढण्यासाठी आपण Y या बिंदूवर प्रोटेक्टर ठेवू आणि प्रोटेक्टरचा केंद्रबिंदू हा बिंदू Y वर असायला हवा आणि लाईन ऑफ रेफरन्स ही सेगमेंट YZ वर हवी. टेक पॉइंट at 90 degree as shown here. Draw ray YK through the point at 90 degree. Take point X on the ray YK and join the segment XZ with the help of ruler. Measure of angle Y is 90 degree as shown here. म्हणजेच या ठिकाणी ट्रायंगल XYZ हा राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल आहे आणि मेजर ऑफ अँगल Y हे 90 degree hai. This is our required right angle triangle. Second part of this question is draw its median and show their point of concurrence by G. We know that medians means madhyaka, segment joining the vertex of a triangle and midpoint of its opposite side. म्हणजेच समोरील बाजूचा मध्यबिंदू आणि वर्टेक्स यांना जोडणारा रेषाखंड म्हणजेच होते मध्यरेखा. ड्रॉ द मीडियन्स विथ द हेल्प ऑफ कंपास. फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ ऑपोजिट साइड YZ with the help of compass. Take some distance in the compass as respect to half and more of the segment YZ and draw the arc above the segment YZ and below it as shown here. Keeping same distance, put the compass on point Z and draw the arc intersecting first arc. We get 2 points intersecting the arcs. We give the name. This one is the point A, this one is the point T. Join this point with the help of ruler. Draw the line passing through point A and B and show the arrow at both the ends. Line AB intersects segment YZ or side YZ. We give the point of intersection the name P. Therefore, point P is the midpoint of side YZ. Let us find out the midpoint of side XY with the help of compass. Keeping compass on point or keeping compass on the vertex X with suitable distance and draw the arc on the both the side, left side and right side, as shown here. Keeping same distance and put the compass on point Y and draw the arc intersecting first arc. Then again we give the 2 points. We give the name CD. This one is the point C and this one is the point D. Draw the line passing through point C and D with the help of ruler. Show the arrow at both the ends. Line CD intersect side XY at point Q. Therefore, point Q is the midpoint of side XY. Then let us find out the midpoint of side XZ, which is the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle XYZ. Take convenient distance in the compass and put the compass on point Z. Take convenient distance in the compass and put the compass on point Z and draw the eye on both the sides, upside and other side. Put the pointed tip of the compass on point X, keeping same distance. Draw the arc intersecting first. We get the 2 points of intersection. We give the name. This one is the point E. This one is the point E up. Draw the line with the help of ruler. Line E up is the line E up intersect side XZ at point. Therefore, point R is the midpoint of the segment or side XZ as shown here. Then we draw the medians with the help of ruler. We join the vertex of the triangle and midpoint of opposite side with the help of ruler. all three medians of a triangle, median, segment ZQ, segment YR, and segment XP are the medians of the triangles. All three medians intersect at one point. Therefore, three medians of a triangle are concurrent. Their point of concurrence is called centroid. It is denoted by the letter G. This is our required figure. Practice it 4.1. Question number 6. Draw an isosceles triangle. Draw all of its medians and altitude. Write your observations about their point of concurrence. Let triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle and length AB is equal to length AC is equal to 10 cm and length BC is the base which is 8 cm. First draw the rough figure. Let us suppose that this is triangle ABC. Side AB is 10 cm, side AC is also 10 cm and side BC is 8 cm. This is an isosceles triangle. Let us first draw isosceles triangle with given measure. With the help of ruler, draw segment BC of the length 8 cm as shown. Name the segment BC. Take 10 cm distance in the compass with the help of ruler and put the compass on point B. Draw the arc above the side BC as shown here. Keeping same distance, put the compass on point C and C as the center of the circle and draw the arc intersecting first arc. This one is the point A. With the help of ruler, join the point A and B with segment and also the point AC with segment with the help of ruler. This is our required isosceles triangle ABC. Second part of this question is draw all of its medians and altitude. First draw the medians. We know that medians means segment joining the vertex of a triangle and midpoint of opposite side. So, let us first find out the midpoint of all three sides of a triangle with the help of compass. Take convenient distance in the compass, draw the arc above and below the BC. Keeping same distance in the compass, put the compass on point C and draw the arc intersecting first arc as shown here. We get 2 points. We give the name. This one is the point P and this one is the point Q. Join this point with the help of ruler to draw a line. Line PQ intersects side BC at point S. Therefore, point S is the midpoint of side BC. Then join the vertex A and midpoint S. Therefore, segment AX is the median of a triangle ABC. Take convenient distance in the compass. Put the compass on point C or vertex C and draw the arc on both the side of side AC. Keeping same distance in the compass, put the compass on point A and A as the center of the circle. Draw the arc intersecting first arc. We get 2 points of intersection. By the arc, we give the name point R and point S. Join this point with the help of ruler. Line SR intersect side AC at point Y. Therefore, point Y is the midpoint of side AC. Join the midpoint and vertex B. Therefore, segment BY is the medians of triangle ABC from the vertex B to opposite side AC. Then again find out the midpoint of side AB, keeping convenient distance in the compound. Draw the arc on the both the sides of the side AB as shown here. Then again keeping same distance, put the compound on point A or vertex A as the center of the circle and draw the arc intersecting first arc as shown here. We get the 2 points. We give the name point T and point U. We'll draw the line passing through these points. Line TU intersect side AB at point Z. Therefore, point Z is the midpoint of the side AB. Join the vertex C and Z with the help of segment. Segment CZ is the medians of triangle ABC from the vertex C to opposite side AB. Here we see that all three medians intersect at one point. Therefore, three medians of a triangle are concurrent. Their point of concurrence is called centroid and denoted by the letter G. This point is point of concurrence, which is the centroid of the triangle ABC. Then we draw altitude of triangle ABC with the help of set square. Put the set square as shown here. One side of the set square along the side BC and other is on the point E. And draw the perpendicular from vertex A to opposite side BC. To draw the altitude from the vertex B to opposite sides, put the set square along the side AC and other side of the set square on point B as shown here. Draw perpendicular from vertex B to opposite side AC. This is point E. Therefore, segment BE is the altitude of triangle ABC. Also, segment AF is also altitude of triangle ABC. To draw the altitude from vertex C to opposite side, put the set square along the side AB as shown here and other side on the vertex C. Draw perpendicular from vertex C to opposite side AB. Show the perpendicular side. Therefore, point F, the segment CF is the altitude of triangle ABC. Here, all three altitude of a triangle are intersect at one point. This point denotes the letter O. This is the orthocenter of a triangle ABC, and all three altitude of a triangle are concurrent. This point of concurrence is called orthocenter and denoted by the letter O. Here you observe that the centroid G and the orthocenter O lie on the line which is perpendicular bisector of the base BC. This one is the base BC, and segment AF, which is the perpendicular to BC, and X is the midpoint of the side BC. Therefore, segment AF, which is the perpendicular bisector. Hence, the centroid G and orthocenter O lie on the line which is the perpendicular bisector of the base BC. This is our required figure. Practice tip 4.1. Question number 7. Fill in the blanks. Point G is the centroid of triangle ABC. First, if length RG is equal to 2.5, then length GC is what? Second, if length BG is equal to 6, then length BQ is equal to what? If length AP is equal to 6, then length AG is equal to what? And length GP is equal to what? Let us find out the answer of this fill in the blanks. Let us start. We have given point G is the centroid of triangle ABC. We know that centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. Therefore, length CG upon length GR is equal to 2:1. Therefore, length CG upon GR means RG is equal to 2.5. Means 2.5 is equal to 2 upon 1. Therefore, length CG means length GC is equal to 2.5 multiplied by 2 means cross multiplications is equal to 5. Therefore, length GC is equal to 5. This one is answer 5. Second, length BG upon length GQ. BQ is the medians of triangle ABC. Here, G is the centroid. Therefore, length BG upon GQ. BG upon GQ is equal to 2:1. Here, BG is 6. Therefore, 6 upon length GQ equal to 2 upon 1. Then cross multiplications. Length GQ is equal to 6 multiplied by 1 upon 2 equal to 6 upon 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, length BQ is equal to length BG plus GQ. Here we have given BG is equal to 6 plus GQ is equal to 3 is equal to 9. And second answer is, if BG is 6, then BQ is equal to 9. Then third, length AP is equal to 6, then AG is equal to 1 and GP is equal to 1. Here, segment AP is the medians of the triangle ABC and G is centroid. We know that the point G is the centroid of the triangle and centroid divide each medians in the ratio 2:1. Here, AG upon GP is equal to 2 upon 1. Therefore, length AG is equal to twice length GP. Length GP is equal to X. Therefore, length AG is equal to twice. Therefore, length GP is equal to length AG plus length GP. Length AG is equal to twice X and length GP is equal to X. And we have given AP is equal to 6. Therefore, 6 is equal to 2x plus x means this one is 3x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 upon 3 is equal to 4. Therefore, length AG is equal to 2 to the 4 and length GP is equal to 2. This is our required answer. AG is equal to 4 and GP is equal to 2. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel.